my Cocoa Daisy friends. Julie Deal Mooney here. I am getting ready to unbox the September 2020 Cocoa Daisy kits. They are Solstice, and I am doing the memory keeping kit in this video. So I have the pocket card memory keeping kit, the Traveler's Notebook memory keeping kit, and the memory keeping classified kit. And it is torn open. That's because I started to open it for the planner classified and I realized I had the wrong one. So I have not looked in. So I have not cheated. So if you like my videos, please hit subscribe and click on the notifications button so that you'll get notified when I do a video. And let's get started. And we are going to start with the Traveler's Notebook memory keeping kit. Okay, I'm going to start with the washi. I'm trying to find that little spot where it's where the plastic breaks so that it's easier to take it off. Oh, and this is a pretty one. Look at that. It's just, it goes all through the colorways. Wow, it's a really long repeat because it goes all the way back to yellow. So pretty. So very pretty. All right. And then we have vellum stars. And I can tell you that, sorry, I'm trying to get it so that it doesn't glare, that nothing I do here is going to do these things justice because they don't look shimmery so much on camera, but they really do in real life, and they're very pretty. And they deserve to be in a starring role. Ha ha ha. I am on a roll tonight. Okay, and then we have die cuts, and they are on the back of the card, so that's nice. I don't have to take them out. You can see them. It's like lots of words and a little tag and some little boxes and that sort of thing. Super. And this tag this month, is that not so cute? And I saw where someone took the puffy stickers and put them around here like this. And that is just adorable. I cannot remember who you are that you did that, but it was super cute, and I saw it. And then we have glitter enamel dots. Well, they're not dots, they're stars. How pretty. And then these stamps this month are just, I love them. So I love this one that says, "That's a hard pass for me, thank you." I love this one right here that says, "Loading, please wait." And then this one that is so teeny tiny. Okay, I saw somebody doing an unboxing and it took them a long time to read it. And now I know why. I keep hitting the space bar, but I'm still on Earth. That is so cute. This one right here. And then these right here. This, if you did it 4 times, would make a circle. And then this could go in the corners. Or you can just, you can do whatever you want. And then this one on the menu is so cute. And then here we go again. And this little star pattern. I mean, I like all of it. I'm not even much of a stamping person, but I'm trying. And then puffy gray stickers. Love those. And then chipboard. This is so cute. And I usually make paper clips out of these. I put a little glossy stuff on top of them to make them a little more durable. And yeah, make paper clips out of them, and they're super cute. We haven't had them in a while, so it's kind of nice to get them. I'll do the book last. And then there is this piece of vellum with excuse me, with gold foil stars. That's so pretty, pretty, pretty. And then the papers. Well, let's do this. So each month with the Traveler's Notebook kit, there is an example of a couple of different layouts that you can do. And then there's a sketch that you can kind of take the sketch and go where you want to with that. So there's that. And then we have papers. That one's really pretty. Oh, and that's a nice background. And then this one, I like these colors together. Oh, that's a nice background too. Very nice. Ooh. Nice. Oh. Ooh. Ah. I'm killing myself tonight. This one's really pretty. Like I said, I've watched 4 unboxings and like, I don't think any of them it just doesn't do this justice. I mean, when you see it in real life and you look at it, you're like, oh my gosh, this sheet of paper is so much prettier than I would have ever thought it was. It's gorgeous. And this, oh gosh. And that, I mean, I'm just such a pink fan anyway. So pretty. So pretty. So many pretty things. What am I going to do with them all? And then here is the, okay, I've got it going the right way. Here is the Simple Dory. And so I usually trim this book down. I haven't been memory keeping in it. And I don't think I'm going to. I think I'm going to try pocket card memory keeping. I've gone back and forth. The one thing I don't like about Dories in general is that if I don't do this many pages, then I have blank pages. And I don't think I have enough memory keeping in me to do this whole book in a month. And so I could trim it down and put it on rings. But I think I'm just going to try pocket memory keeping this month. So what I do is I cut this and then I use this paper somewhere in my planner. And then a lot of times I'll use this graph paper in my planner in different places as well. Oh yeah, and then there's that paper. Because I like having lots of papers, and some months I use up almost every bit of it and hardly have anything left over. Oh yeah, see, and I'm gonna take that out right there and I'm going to use that as one sheet of paper somehow. I don't know how, but I am, because it's center spread. Yeah, I love that print a lot. And then I just keep these sheets, these blank sheets, if I have those left over, I just put them in the back of my tray. And then if I need to stamp something and I'm just trying out my stamp for the first time, or I want to see what colors look like, or if I want to put some paper underneath something, you know, if I just need paper for whatever, or to write a note on, I just use this paper. Well, that is very pretty. Love it. Love the standard Dory. So that is the Traveler's Notebook Memory Keeping Kit. Okay, here we are with the Pocket Memory Keeping Kit. And there are lots of goodies in here. There's a cute little hello note. That's cute. And then the washi, which is the same as this washi. I got it tangled up. Yeah, I'll deal with it later. And then there are a different set of die cuts, and this one has a different tag, and it has some different words and some boxes and tabs and just all kinds of good things. And then some more of those stars. Oh gosh, they're pretty. And then a tag like in the Traveler's Notebook Memory Keeping Kit. And then more of the enamel stars. Love them, love them. And then a different set of stamps that I love equally as well. So one of these says, ooh, about that. And then the other one that I really love is right over here. It says, currently recharging, please come back later. So trust me, I'll be putting that in my planner somewhere. Good food, good mood. And this one says, to the moon and back, and welcome fall. We were here, let's go eat. And then the little stars. And the thing about the stamps is like, welcome fall is really not appropriate for me because fall for me really happens in late October. And so I just save that until October and I can use it. So cute. So cute. All right, I'm gonna do everything else before I do the pocket cards. All right, so a set of kind of a denim blue puffy letters. Really cute. An extra set of the chipboard stickers. Those are cute. And then another set of the papers, and these are the exact same papers as the Traveler's Notebook Memory Keeping Kit. That's pretty. And there you go. You get 1 set in the Pocket Memory Keeping Kit and 2 sets of papers in the Traveler's Notebook Memory Keeping Kit. So, oh, sorry, that is a lot of noise from that glassine bag. So I know during COVID, sometimes suppliers were difficult, you know, for everybody, not just Cocoa Daisy, but everybody. And so for a while there, our pocket cards were coming shrink wrapped, but I like them better with just this little piece of paper around them. It makes it easier to get them in and out of. So I'm going to flip through these real quickly, and I'll probably speed it up, so I'm not going to talk. Okay, so there are the pocket card memory keeping kit with all of its stuff, and I love all of it. And so the next kit that I have, and the last kit for my unboxing, is the memory keeping classified kit. So if you do not want to see the memory keeping classified kit, please look away. All right, so normally I would rip it open, but I have already done that because I thought it was the planner classified kit. So here we go. Okay, so I'll tell you right now, these are so much prettier in person than they are on film or like any of the photos that I saw, and they are the reason that I got this kit. They're so cute. And I have to say that this was like, that got me interested, and that pretty much sealed the deal. Because I love these gold letters, and I'm going to use them until I just run out of whatever letters it is. I seem to run out of E. Oh, I'll run out of E's very quickly. Because there's 2. All right, and so there are wooden stars. These are really cute. And then a little button, and this one does not go on the magnetic clip. It's just a hardback. You can just take a little glue dot and put behind it. I use a removable one, and sometimes I stick it on my planner. Sometimes I stick it on a card or something. It's just really cute. And it says "Dream a Little Dream." That's cute. And then a lavender set of lowercase letters. And then some transparent stickers with some brush. And the great thing about these is you can write, and then you can put them on top of something you've written because you can see your writing through them. And so that's really cute. And then there are 3 pieces of paper. So this one is, oh, this one's a vellum. Nice. That's really cute. And they are 8 by 8. And then this one is paper. Oh, and this one is paper, and it just matches the vellum. Super cute and very useful background sort of papers. And so that is the classified memory keeping kit, and that is the end of my unboxing. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy my video, please hit subscribe and hit the notifications button so that you get notified when I put a new video up. And thanks so much for watching all the way to the end, and have a great day.